Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, it's beautiful down here on the beachfront, and we're going to talk a little bit about Good Morning Bolivar. You know, we started it last year and it's been a great hit. Last year we had it at Stingery Restaurant. This year it's at Jose's, and Jose cooks up a great breakfast for us, and the best part is it's free. Now each month, the second Tuesday, in this month it's the 13th of June, we've got a couple great speakers actually at this one. Everyone's invited. Good Morning Bolivar is a time for homeowners, business owners, property owners, and visitors to come together and learn a little bit about Bolivar Peninsula. Sometimes it's a business, sometimes in this month it's Texas history. In fact, all summer long we're trying to bring you a little bit of Texas history with ties to Bolivar Peninsula. This month's no different. I'm happy to say for the month of June we have David with Gulf Copper, which he's in charge of the Battleship Texas restoration project, and Bruce with the Battleship Texas Foundation. Now these two have put on several talks around Southeast Texas, and I got word that their presentations are phenomenal. The photos you're going to see, the information you're going to get is just unbelievable, and so you're not going to want to miss. Bring your family, bring your friends. Heck, just come by yourself, enjoy a free breakfast at Jose's, and learn a little bit about Texas history and what's going on with the Battleship Texas during its rebuild process. Gulf Copper is where it's in dry dock right now, and tours are being given, but we wanted to give you information without having to go over there. And when I was talking to David Cassell about the presentation, he said, I've got photos from the time the work started through present, and so we're excited about it. I can't wait to see this presentation, and typically they last about 30 minutes. This one may be a little bit longer. But Good Morning Bolivar is the second Tuesday of every month, and it starts at 8:30 a.m. Now, we'll start off the morning with a little pep talk from me, and then we'll go into our presentation while you're enjoying your breakfast. Typically people start getting there about 8:15 and the food's out, so that you can start getting your plate, find you a table, and enjoy some time with your family, friends, or maybe a business owner or property owner down here. Once the presentation starts, the food's still available, and then we'll go through the presentation, and then after the presentation's over this month, we will have a question session where you can ask David or Bruce questions either about the rebuild project or the foundation, where you can get involved. And so I'm super excited about this. I was talking to Gina Spagnolia with the Galveston Regional Chamber of Commerce, and she's seen this presentation, and she said, David, you have to get them over there. It's unbelievable, the photos and the information that they give. And so I want to thank Gina and the Galveston Regional Chamber of Commerce for helping me put this together. This is going to be a great event, and we're working on maybe Fort Travis and a little history for it for July. And so we'll have more information on that. But coming up this month, the second Tuesday, June 13th at 8:30 a.m. at Jose's Cajun Seafood and Steakhouse, free breakfast, a great informative speakers I should say, and more, all in one location. Bring your family, bring your friends, bring anyone. Come by yourself, but come down and enjoy a great breakfast, an informative presentation about the Battleship Texas, the rebuild process, and some of the history on it. And as always, once it's over, we always have a few giveaways. We do drawings, and you may take home t-shirts, you may take home tumblers. You never know what we may have this time, but I can tell you it's going to be free and it's going to be great. So anyway, make plans now to head on down to Jose's the second Tuesday of this month, which is the 13th. Enjoy a free breakfast, and let me tell you, his breakfast is scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, biscuits, gravy, hash browns, you name it, he's got it. Hot coffee, tea, soda waters, a little bit of everything. So we're excited about it. Want to thank Palapa RV Beach Resort for sponsoring this month's Good Morning Bolivar. They're a new Team Bolivar member. They've jumped on board and they want to get involved in the community. And so we're happy to have them as a sponsor of this Bolivar Live Good Morning Bolivar at Jose's. So you can see the water's great looking, the beach is in great shape. Come on down, learn a little bit of Texas history at Good Morning Bolivar, June 13th at 8:30 a.m. for a free breakfast. Information on the Battleship, Texas from Gulf Copper, which is doing the work, and from the Battleship Texas Foundation. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show and hope to see you at Good Morning Bolivar on June 13th at 8:30 a.m. at Jose's Breakfast with a Speaker. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. And remember, now you can see Bolivar Live not only on our social media channels. Go to YouTube, type in Bolivar at Bolivar Live, like it, follow it, and enjoy our feeds. And now you can also see it on Roku and Amazon Fire. It's a free download. Just look up Bolivar Live TV. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.